Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna have another great session trading with binary options on Quotex. The link to the platform will be in the description to this video, as well as the invitation link to a Telegram group where me and my team share years of experience with you guys, as well as explanations for the indicators in trading in generally and also specifically with binary options. So guys, let's jump into our first option with we're gonna start with $50 and let's see we're gonna go ahead and make our first option on this one here. So we have today the MA, the MACD and CCI. So we're gonna look at, in a combination, we're gonna look at these three indicators. I'm gonna go ahead and make a call option for $50 because we are at the verge of the support levels first of all, and then like this, when it starts collecting like this below the, so MA is actually the moving average here, SMA is moving its tenor, so it's moving, it's acting as a resistance level at this point, and when we're collecting like this below the resistance point, it's a good indication that the price might break through because it's collecting and just collecting power, just collecting bullish mood. So we'll see. It is good so far, but let's wait for the result of this. And here is our first profit on this 95.50. We're gonna use it up on our next option around here. We're gonna go ahead and make a call option here because we just broke through, first of all, the moving average, the tenor moving average. We broke through it. It acted as a resistance level, and also looking at the MACD, looking at the CCI, we are seeing the strong indications that the price is going to go up. So let's wait for the result of this one. It's positive, I think, and let's just see it. Here is our profit, $181 already. Let's go with our next option for 181. So here we were correct, actually. The indicators work perfectly on this one, and there's a bullish trend forming. We're gonna go to a different one, and let's see here. Also pretty similar situation, strong bull trend, strong indications. Actually CCI here is giving us a different indication. The price is going down. I don't know, let's see. I mean, I'm gonna go with the trend. The CCI sure does show us that the price would drop, because it's like it's similar to relative strength indicator. It's showing the relative strength. So the strength is actually the strength of this trend is probably going to start fading, but we'll see a positive outcome of this, I'm pretty sure, because it still has this strength for us to profit. So I think that here is not a bad situation for us. Okay, here is our profit, $342 in this option. So the next is going to be for exactly 342. So this is what we're gonna use. Okay, excuse my cat there. So we're gonna go ahead and use $342 and check out this one here maybe. Okay. I mean, this is also a strong bullish trend. There's some pullbacks, but we're gonna go ahead and do a call option, $342, and we're gonna wait for the result of this. I'm really curious because it's pretty volatile, but I think we're gonna be okay as we're entered in the pullback. Actually, we entered when it was a bit lower, so I think we're good. And all the indications are showing a bullish mood, so I think we're good in this one. Let's wait for the result. And here is the profit of this one, $649. Pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and use the entirety to enjoy the compound percent, and we're gonna go to this currency, for example. It's just looking like a nice bullish trend forming. So CCI has started going down here. It started going down. So that means that the trend is actually losing its strength. So we're gonna go and enter into a put option. So basically, similar situation to what happened before. We have MACD, we have the trend giving us the idea that the price is going up, basically. But as I said, CCI is like the relative strength indicator is similar. It's showing the relative strength of it, not so it's calculating the strength as it was going up, and if it stops going up with the same strength, it will, the CCI and relative strength indicator both will show it basically. And this is an interesting situation because usually you would go into the long, but here we went opposite. We made the opposite decision, and actually we profited from it. There's maybe not a, well, now it starts, now price starts to go down actually, but maybe at the beginning of the option it wasn't exactly going down already, but it was losing its strength. So, and this is a good indication that the price is it's hardly gonna move up, at least, or it's not gonna move up. So let's go with the next one. We have a nice profit already of $1,233, and we're gonna use a $1,000 option next. Let's just put it in here, 1,000. Okay, and then here we actually still have the strength. We have all of the indications are showing us that we should do a call option here. 1 minute time, $1,000 call option right here. And let's wait for the result. Here is less speculating because we have, I mean, as you can see, CCI is also not so strong. I mean, it was just a moment ago, so it does show us live what's happening, but I'm hoping we can still get some profit before it falls, at least. But yeah, similar situation again actually. So yeah, let's wait for the result and find out. Here is a profit to this one, 1,910, 91% payout, pretty good. And next option can be a couple of thousand now. We have the balance for it, and let's do it. Let's go change our currency. As you can see, still the MACD here was showing that the price was going up, but actually it was not so strong. Here we have clearly everything is down. Everything is going down. Let's just make this 2000 call option. So the idea behind this, again, we're seeing some trend, bearish trend going on. We see that it had crossed the support line, which is the moving average 10, acts as a support line here. It's crossed it down. Then we see MACD. The faster line had crossed the slower line. We see CCI at the bottom. Everything's at the bottom, really. And also we're in the area of oversold market, when the price is really low and people start buying it again, that asset. So this is a situation you can profit by knowing that from minimums you're likely to go up when the asset price is at the minimums. So this is a good opportunity to make an option for the price to go up. As you can see, the CCI had changed also. Right now, again, this oppositely, we didn't go through the resistance line here, so maybe it's a pullback here. Actually, the support line though. Right, 3,000, because so there is both a resistance line and a support line that we're in between now, let's say, because moving average is acting as a support line, and then we also have a major resistance line, and we're in between the two. So that's therefore we're kind of in a flat, went in kind of a flat. But the price, as you can see, we're still, so it's kind of a pullback, and the price is still growing, and then the trend is also pretty bullish. So let's see if we can break this resistance line, but it's not fully broken it yet. But when it collects like this just below it, that's a good sign that it will break it. Yeah, so it's a good sign for a call option here, even a second one. So we had a profit just now from this one, but it's a good sign also for a next option, for a next call option. The strength is there, the indications are there, the trend, and there it is. I would go into a call option here actually. Okay, let's go to the next one and make our next option. We have a trend, but the trend is kind of about here, 1 minute maybe. Okay, so we kind of have a growing. Okay, let's go in with our next option, $6,000 we can do. and a call option. We have a growing trend here. So like on a 2 minutes time frame graph, we can see there is a growing trend. You could say the strength is kind of in the middle. There is still some strength, although it's not so strong, let's say, but it's still showing some growth still. Not the worst situation. I mean, it's slow, but we may profit out of this. So far so good. Yeah, there is a bit more strength, a bit more growth going on. Still holding up, but I think it soon it will draw, because also there is a resistance line here that is trying to break, and we make the profit out of this. Awesome, guys, we made profit. This is the most important. Right now the price is losing its power. It's collecting underneath this resistance level, so maybe it has still potential to go and grow, but we're gonna stop here. We're gonna stop for this for the session of today. Is a great profit. I enjoyed it. Hope you also enjoyed the content. If so, consider subscribing, liking and commenting, and I'll see you all next time. Good luck and goodbye.